Hi friends! Welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today I'm gonna be making Dalgona coffee. As you can see this beautiful coffee on the internet, it draws my attention because I love coffee. I'm going to try this beautiful coffee today. First, I try making with a coffee powder mix, coffee and powdered milk and sugar in it. The package said Fuwa Fuwa latte, which means frothy coffee, so I expected that I can get Dalgona coffee easily, but I couldn't. Don't use this mixed powder. Now I go for the authentic recipe from the South Korea. The ratio is 1:1:1. I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of instant coffee powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of hot water. Give it a stir and start whisking on low speed. It is obvious that the mixture immediately starts making foams. I think the sugar stabilizes the coffee granules making foam. It takes only 1 minute to stiff peak stages. Let's assemble the newly invented coffee drink. Put some ice cube in the glass. Pour milk and top with the generous amount of frothy Dalgona coffee. Looks so lovely. Let me taste the froth first. It has a strong coffee flavor to it, obviously. Tastes like double espresso with a huge amount of sugar like Italian people love. Now let's stir with the milk. It tastes so good. It tastes better than the coffee shop latte. So refreshing, and I think I will make this coffee until I use up whole bottle. One of my followers found my picture on the Facebook and asked me if she can do this without sugar. So I did a little experiment without sugar, but it didn't work as I presumed. I add a tablespoon of sugar, which is half the amount, and whipped up. It has no stability like the original recipe, but still okay to top with milk. If you don't want your coffee too sweet, but I don't think it's too sweet, you can reduce the sugar in half. Alright, that's Dalgona coffee. I hope you enjoy making your own, have fun with it. Let me know if you have a recipe you want me to make, or if you have a specific ingredients to use up in your pantry. Let me help you. Stay safe everyone, and I will see you soon. Bye! Thanks for watching.